need that evidence.
Ignored
Is that
it.
fair? They ignored it,
witnesses.
okay? They ignored it.
Well, can I just say, this is exactly what we've just seen from the FBI and the Department of Justice in the FISA warrants cases, where you've had senior officials from both agencies appearing before an American court asking for permission to spy on Donald Trump and his campaign team without revealing that the principal document they provided to the court was entirely funded by Hillary Clinton.
Yeah.
Not even revealing it, even though they knew that. This is the rogue agency. Now, this is going to go to Charif's, directly to Charif's problem. Are we going to leave him as an adornment?
No, we're not going to.
Or are we going to actually ask him to say
let's
something?
quickly, Charif, because we're going to concentrate on your whole case. Sure. But just tell us briefly your story.
Well, in a nutshell,
yeah.
Ross and Rowan and Chris, what happened to me is a complete and utter injustice. ICAC had evidence in their possession from the get-go. There were no wrongdoing and there were no benefits and there were no favours. Like what happened in the Murray Key case, ICAC had the evidence, exculpatory evidence. They didn't even provide it to my lawyers and went ahead and had a public inquiry just to defame me and my entire family and pursue me personally to benefit an ex-business partner who they put in place as a star witness. They've taken him in as a star witness, and I had 2 legal cases against him in 2 different jurisdictions, but ICAC decided to bring him as a star witness to bring me down so he could benefit.
Okay, we're going to come back to your substantial case.
And also what happened afterwards to Charif is horrific. Let's go through New Coal. This is a financial joke.
Now, in Australia, we like to think that property, private property, is protected by the rule of law. But in the New Coal case, it wasn't. On the strength of a report about coal exploration leases, how they were issued in New South Wales, the government of former Premier Barry O'Farrell wiped out licences that had been held by New Coal Resources, which is a mining company with international and Australian shareholders. New Coal bought that licence 14 months after it was issued. The inquiry run by ICAC was into the way the government had issued that licence.
Right.
It was not into New Coal. No. New Coal did nothing wrong. New Coal was a mining company, saw a resource, bought it. Then it was worth $400 million. That company was worth $400 million. After the expropriation, its capital value went down to $20 million. Now,
so from 400 million to 20 million because the New